So for anyone with a Hijet van or the pickup, it's a 2001 with the 1.3 EFI. I've been running rough. It's been having power stalling issues, almost as if it's out of fuel. So I had investigated, and I believe it was my fuel filter. That was nasty. If anyone needs to change it, you come underneath. You have your fuel tank just here. And the fuel filter, if yours is equipped with it, should be right there. So you have the top of the petrol tank and the fuel line comes off. It's routed there into the hard line. That circles around along the bottom of the fuel tank and up to the engine. Now it's really difficult to record under here, but I hope this helps somebody. Just simple hose clamps that hold it on. It's 8mm pipes. And yes, that's it. Up there, that connects to where the fuel pusher is. And yeah, it's not fuel pusher, it's the fuel doohickey. We'll go with that, because no, fuel sender. That's it. That's the word. Ew. That's what's coming out of the tank side. Chocolate milk. Oh, fuel from that side. At least that side was clean. So I'm guessing that there is quite a bit of rust in there. I guess it's dried up, but there's like these minute particles in there. It's like that's all bits of the fuel tank. Ugh. Oh, nasty. Behind door number 1. Let's see if we can. Okay. Oh, filter. Oh wait, that is grimy. I don't know if I did it enough. There we go. That's that piece. Oh. Well, I mean, it did its job for who knows how long, but that's what it is. I know you heard of blackface, but have you heard of black hand? That's more like brown hand.